messy job. It's a nice garage.
You got the drywall done in the last couple weeks. But
I can smell it.
the whole master suite. This is the bathroom. That's the master bedroom. There's the walk-in closet. This is all radiant floor and forced air. The showers going here. We got vanity, dual vanities. Yeah, we did all the bath things.
So we had to get into the attic through that?
Yeah, and we did all the plumbing venting.
So this is another bathroom?
Laundry.
Oh, laundry. Back to Chris. Just leave me alone. Dude, that's hilarious. Oh my god.
So we're doing 1-inch line around the whole house pretty much all the way to the very end, because that way we got plenty of capacity for anything and everything. So you can run multiple sinks and faucets and showers and toilets all at one time without any touch and drop. So we got 1 inch, and then everything will be tied right off the 1-inch line. Then we got the hot water line. We're doing a recirculation loop around the basement. So this way the water line's always hot. So this way you're not waiting 20 minutes for hot water to come to your faucet.
We use the same water heater that is used for the radiant flooring, right?
Yes, same brand, different model. So there's two different.
So it's not. So there's two of them in there.
There's two, yeah.
Oh, I didn't even notice that.
Yeah, the one to the right.
Oh, yeah, I
the
see.
one on the right is the boiler with all the pipes. And this is all for the master bedroom. This whole zone up here. And then just the pumps, and then that's the boiler. It's
Quite the utility closet.
Hey, that's pretty the way that was figured out.
It looks
I think it looks good.
Came out good.
Yeah.
Put it up there on the shelf.